Little known fact number one is a Murphy bed will not kill you. That is actually a guarantee that I'll give you. Well, why won't it kill you? Back in the old days, in the Charlie Chaplin movies, this goes over, I don't know, probably close to 100 years ago, there was these funny Charlie Chaplin scenes where somebody would be caught in the bed and the bed would slam up on them. Well, in a Murphy bed today with a piston-based system, which is really, I'd say, the Rolls Royce of Murphy bed mechanisms, what you're going to see is this is how the bed goes up. So as I'm bringing it up, got a little pressure against it, then it's going to actually have a stop right there. And then as we put it in place, it's going to click into place. Now to take this thing down, it'll work the same way where you'll see it literally has a stop right there. Then I can pull the bed down and it's literally going to come down on its own. The legs are over here. You'll see how that comes down. And it really is like a slow close operation like you think with a drawer. If you want to get more tips on Murphy beds, go to innovatehomeorg.com. You can go to our blog there or go to the Murphy bed page. There is videos, there is articles. We'd be glad to help you if you're in Columbus as well with a free estimate. Thanks so much.